Imagine a herbaceous perennial plant that stands 1 to 2 meters tall, with sticky oval leaves, beautiful blue flowers, and prickly horny fruits. This is licorice, or scientifically known as Glycyrrhiza glabra. Its roots are long, branched, thick, brown on the outside, and yellow on the inside, exuding a characteristic odor. With a sweetness that surpasses regular sugar, licorice has been used for over 3 millennia in alternative medicine. Its numerous health benefits include treating kidney pain, cough, heartburn, and even constipation. You can find licorice in various forms: as a herbal tea, dried capsules, or even as a refreshing syrup prepared from licorice roots, often enjoyed during summer. Licorice is a potent herb that's packed with a high content of flavonoids, providing medicinal benefits due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Apart from being rich in vitamins B2, B3, and E, licorice boasts of important minerals such as phosphorus, iron, selenium, and zinc. Licorice is also a powerhouse of active substances like glycyrrhizin, flavonoid glycosides, licoriticide, and isolicoriticide, contributing to its therapeutic benefits. Licorice can treat digestive disorders, accelerating the healing of the stomach lining in cases of food poisoning, stomach ulcers, and infections. Licorice also relieves stomach pain, nausea, heartburn, and helps in the treatment of peptic ulcer by killing H. pylori bacteria. Licorice, a plant renowned for its medicinal properties, is highly recommended for treating respiratory disorders. Its benefits for the chest include phlegm elimination, treatment of cough, colds, bronchitis, and some lung diseases like tuberculosis. Licorice also aids in asthma treatment, reducing airway constrictions and relieving symptoms. It is even used to prevent postoperative sore throat in patients requiring a breathing tube. Licorice's polyphenols stimulate apoptosis, which can assist in combating certain cancers, such as breast cancer. It also aids in the inflammation of the mucous membranes experienced by cancer patients undergoing treatment. Licorice root extract, rich in powerful compounds, is used in treating skin diseases like acne and eczema. It can relieve swelling and itching, lighten the skin, and protect it from UV damage.